Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Today is the 1st of January 2026 and it is 6:15 in the morning and it's raining in Mumbai. It's been raining in Mumbai from 5:30 in the morning. So yeah, it's raining here from 5:30. I don't know in other parts of Mumbai whether it's raining or not, or it started raining earlier or later, I have no idea, but in this area it's been raining from 5:30 and it's quite cold. And oh, sorry, if you can see, it's quite you can see it's quite a lot of rain. There you go, it's raining a lot and it's very cold right now. It's very breezy. You can see how the wind is blowing and you can see how it's raining. And yeah, see, it's raining. The only way I can show you it's raining right now is because of the light reflection on the road and the water puddles on the road, because it's quite dark. See, it's very dark. But yeah, it is gonna be 6:20 in the morning right now and it's been raining the first month of the year and it's raining on the first day. Happy New Year everybody. Happy New Year 2026 to everyone. Have a wonderful year ahead. And yeah, enjoy the rains. This is like the surprise monsoon. Actually, it's just a surprise shower. Surprised shower. I guess God's just blessing everybody with some little shower there of rain. And it's not raining a lot, it's just like a drizzle, but a little more than the drizzle. But yeah, it is raining. So yeah, 1st January 2026. Happy New Year. Enjoy the first rain from 1st Jan.